Yes, viewers and subscribers, we're back at it again. This morning we're gonna make a peanut porridge. Yeah? So Jigo sort out the peanut in there. That's a Jigo peanut porridge.
Yeah man, and planting.
Yeah man, ingredients we're gonna need for the peanut porridge. We have coconut, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, sugar, plantain, and peanuts. Raw peanuts. Alright, so I'm preparing coconut juice now for the peanut porridge. Don't know, not put nothing about in the pot now. No cow's milk, no dairy product. No dairy product to the thing. Real coconut milk, you know? You know, I use no cow's milk in our thing. Yeah, man. See there? Alright, so we're gonna give the peanut a nice little rinse. And then we'll blend them out. What we're doing here, we're gonna blend the peanut, yeah? Yes, here you go. Peanut porridge in the morning, yeah? Peanut done blend, nice and thick. Yeah, man, rich consistency. Well, here you go. This is a peanut porridge I got strong, you know. When you're big, drink this, you know, brother. We're not going with nothing this year now.
2021.
2021 for you?
Yeah, boy.
So I'm the bigs.
Yeah,
Watch out the plant then first, you know? The plant will give this one nice body and give the porridge a really good texture. The plant add nice flavor to it also. Planting and I know. Blend. Porridge I want power pack. Alright. Ready. Yeah man, you don't know bigs there I catch a fire now. Yeah. More fire upon them now. Some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some salt. One of the pot. Yeah? Put in some vanilla. We don't really measure things, you know, we're just throwing things in a pot, you know.
Instinctive, you know, at this long time.
I never see my grandmother measure nothing, just throwing seeds in a pot. Yeah, man. The aroma of the vanilla there and nutmeg together smells so good. Yeah. We're throwing the coconut in time. I'm going to left back some because later on I'm going to use it for some magic. Yes, people. See it now? The coconut milk will boil up. Nice. Nice little custard upon the top of it. So that will give you a nice flavor, a nice texture in the porridge. Alright, so now I'm going to add the plantain and the peanuts. These are the peanut and the plant blend together. We're going to put it in the pot now, you know. Alright, this you have to stir consistently so you don't give you any lumps in it. Yeah. Turn up the fire for my digs. I look some okra for you. Make the slime to go up on top of my porridge, you know. Some of the people don't really want okra in them porridge, so I'm going to make a slime with the coconut milk to go up on my porridge. I'm going to sweeten this shortly. Yes, I'll put a little bit of sugar in it. I put in some salt already, so you don't really want no salt. Yeah, on the porridge, you know. You want it to pop nice, bigs. Many people don't see porridge pop. Porridge pop real nice. Yeah, man. I eat man, real. See big man, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir?
Nah, I put again until we reach 100 subscribers.
And to reach 100 subscribers?
Yeah, that's it.
No, but people and say a big size star I showing us, so right now. You have to show them how to go on that pot today.
Yeah, man, a bigger bowl on the pot.
Bigger bowl on the pot you want?
Too small.
The pot too small. So time to sweeten the porridge now, you know. So we have approximately about 2 cups of dark brown sugar we're going to put in the porridge. I just have to say 2 cups, not too sure. I just throw some sugar. You don't put too much sugar in it because we don't want it too sweet. You know? we are getting all up in our age too, you know. We don't want too much sugar, you know.
Yeah, man, I didn't think I'm pretty general rate from the scene.
Yeah, man.
6 young girl running the scene.
There's a 6 young girl run from a rate the same way. On the beach, I put you ready to grow up, you know. What if I come and lobster, you know? And steam fish.
Blood clot, Irish marsh, man.
Irish marsh and linseed. Now we are going to prepare the okra them to make the slime. Yeah, because okra slime is nice, you know. Can't do it without okra slime. There's a big Zanjigo. Get most of the okra slime. My porridge ready, you know. So we take out the porridge, you know, and we put on the okra slime.
Patrick, put your dance, you know.
Huh?
You put up on the stone.
Pat good man, pat nothing over. So yeah, see it there? The rain come down, you know. Showers a blessing on the farm. Ingredients and everything when me cook is coconut milk. So see it there? Coconut milk in a pot. And the okra slime. Okra to make the slime, you know? So mix bubble up. And people, this is a topping. It's basically a topping, and you could use this topping for any pastry or basically anything you can use this topping for if you're an okra lover. Alright, so we're going to season up this with a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg and a touch of sugar.
Yeah, my friend G goes in there. Can't bring nobody. I see that video, the man said, I'm a youth in England. You can't.
You say, have you in England?
What do you mean?
You say, you're still in a plastic bag?
Yeah, cinnamon, vanilla, get some of them things.
Yeah, man. So put a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla. And start with the pot, you know. So I tap in for my porridge. Alright.
Yo, what going on, man?
Where are you living? That's how you thought of Biggs.
Yeah, man.
We could see the one. What make people explain how you thought of the one. That's how you thought of.
Yeah, man, name lunch breakfast and dinner.
Lunch breakfast and dinner all in one. Alright, sir. Yeah, man, you don't know Weedy and TV in our building. Check out in channel, you know. Weedy and TV, must see channel in the on the farm. And in come all in grains. Because right now inside belly I get too big like for being man, so you might eat some veggies if you get it done. And the artist there, you know, see him there, a style, boom bang.
Flagger there,
Yeah, man.
a style there, small circle
The
there.
best farm in a Turks and Caicos. Organic farm, I'm gonna make sure.
Organic grains.
Check out the page, you know. Check out the page, you know, for all of your roots, reality and culture, you understand?
Yes,
so,
brother.
you know, if you want to see the back in the days thing on the farm, you see there, you know, no car no there, so no jewelry no there, so no money no there, so I just natural vibes this. You see me, you see the tree, them, everything
Healthy
there.
living.
Natural vibes, you know.
Up top.
Pot of porridge pan fire, peanut porridge.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, man, you know, if Flagger come hold him callaloo and him sweet pepper and him something.
man.
So, you know, we there.
Yeah.
My reefer come with him bowl.
Yeah. Good for your back, you know. Original peanut porridge. Yeah, man. Original man for 2021. Plans, family plans. Him have
You want
up,
slime on the kefir?
Yes, man. Give me some of the okra, you know.
What the channel them to check out?
The channel name Island Style. So play that to little bit for bigs.
When the texture, look on the color of that.
Real man.
See me?
Original back shot.
No waste man thing, you know, them youth have talent. Real youth, real man a yard.
Put in little okra and a real man one too. Slime me up.
Yes, brother. The girl breed again.
You might explain? Eh? I want to tell the bigs.
Straight to come with the container.
Small for you, know. Cause you are the back row, you know.
The power?
And the plate small, and the plate big, so same way.
Yeah, man.
People could have one man bowl this, you know.
Big, so can you take all of this? You want more? Or this is good?
Good, man.
You sure this is good?
This a tree.
I want to take the show off, you know?
No, take the show off on top.
You want
of
to
the
slime?
good, you know, big, so.
What's the man?
Alright. Bigs. Bigs, I just broke out the bread, put in a porridge.
Yeah, man. Everything will go
Yeah,
one
man.
place.
See flaxseed there, no bigs. Knife oil paper right there, so. Sprinkle some of it on it, man. Flaxseed good for you, know. In Jamaica we call it, what do you call it in Jamaica again? Linseed. But flaxseed in him.
It must be one of
Sure, porridge. Yeah, man, see it, yeah. I eat this, you know.
Natural.
Yeah, man, you know, so Rasta have to eat out and bash in the chico.
Yeah, man. It is
You know, my thing already say different.
Okra slime.
Yeah, man, see it there? Catch the slime, Jigo.
Yeah, boy.
Right now, I'm going to garnish my porridge with some flaxseed. You know? See it there? Flaxseed on top of the porridge. Things are good for your cholesterol and all them things, you know. I understand for you some flaxseed. Yeah, man. I eat peanut porridge. Nice and garnished with some flaxseed. Yes, Jigo. Yes, a better day is coming?
Better days coming, man. It's a
Yeah?
good look, you know?
It's a good look.
Yeah, boy.
Say a pop.
Yeah, man. Peanut,
Peanuts.
plantain,
In the back.
okra, everything.
Up top.
Alright, sir.
That's all the porridge for G?
Tastes good money, bad.
Yeah? Alright, sir.
I gone, I'll eat
Up
it.
top, Jigo. Organic greens. General there, you know. Boss, I'm going to rough up this now, and I'm you know.
The man saying dip on
Port
there.
machine. You never on that?
And look on the ball.
In the quarter, I should not play no way, man, with this.
Is that your plate and I can get that?
Yeah, man.
Listen, man. What's channel name again? What's channel name?
Island style.
Island Style. Hit the channel to check out.
Yeah, man. Do it yourself, you know. Island style, do it
You can
yourself.
learn something and you can get a laugh too.
Yeah, man.
Be a celebrity there, you know. It's promo boss just passed through getting bungalow color.
Oh, then I eat and now and enjoy them porridge. Right, what you say? Where porridge stay?
Up top, up top,
Up top, yeah?
top.
Farmer reefer.
Yeah, man, you know, say a peanut and okra porridge this.
Yeah.
If you can't get no youth, you just link with. Work on it, you see it? Last week we do the roast okra. And my brethren say feel like in bingo, so we are work on it, you know?
Right, sir. Alright, the artist over here, so for the farm, you know, go and match up some my porridge. Artist, how you think?
Boy, the porridge bad out.
Yes.
Porridge bad. Long time you know drink a porridge with taste, so you know the texture, taste, everything, and the peanut them crunchy.
Up top.
Little bit of slime in it with the okra thing.
Up top.
Homemade bread again.
Yeah.
Farm up, man.
Bless
check out
it.
the channel, you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Hostile, we there.
Yes,
Up.
man. I remember if you check out Hostile in the on all your map now, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Give them a little piece of what you expect.
Living through the years and it's a tough life. Me tell them 9 to 5 is a rough life. We get up every day and go to work. One day off of the week and we still a live a broke life. And even though we are struggling now, both in our riches, me don't know where them feel like. Acho, hey, listen, man, check it out.
Alright, up top. Hostile in our building. In Jamaica, when you get the bread, you just broke it up in your porridge and eat a nice porridge. So, take a taste out there now. Wow. Always remember, feed the body that work the money. Thank you very much for watching. One love.